Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Omar in here with us this morning. Omar's all the way here from Detroit, Michigan, and he comes in complaining of low back pain, right sciatica down his leg, left lateral foot pain, right knee pain, neck and left shoulder blade pain, rib cage pain bilaterally, difficulty breathing, tension headaches, dizziness, and left sacral SI joint pain. I didn't miss anything, did I?
Yeah, pretty much everything.
Okay, good. So this is Omar's third adjustment. He came in yesterday and we saw him twice, and then this morning is his first adjustment, and he's coming back this afternoon. So we're gonna go ahead and do his full body adjustment right now. Okay, Omar, let's come back over here and lay on your back. Slide up just a little bit. There you go. Okay. Yes, sir. Now I've already adjusted Omar, so we're doing the ring dinger on him first. There you go. Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. Yes, sir. Another home run. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Okay. So this is the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. There it is. Okay. Yeah. Tilt right. That's perfect. Good job. Crack X gonna love you too, Omar. Let me help you up sideways. There we go. Okay. So that adjustment addresses the y-axis. Let's lay you on your tummy now. And then on this adjustment, I'm going to address the x-axis and the z-axis and some of the y-axis as well. Legs are even this morning, and they stay even. Did that tighten up in your lower back at all, Omar?
No.
Good. There, good. Boy. You sounding off this morning, Omar. You know, one of the main reasons that people come here from all over the world and other states here in the United States is because I adjust the entire body from head to toe. Slide down this way, just yeah, there you go. Oh, it's already up. Okay. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back, please. So in this adjustment, I'm contacting the zygomatic process, and I'm bending the head up and backwards on the x-axis. So it's negative theta x. Slide down this way just a little bit, and put both arms out, palms up. Here I'm adjusting the AC joints, the acromioclavicular joints, the clavicles, and the anterior ribs where they attach to the sternum, costosternal joints. There you go. Okay, you can relax right there. And on this one, I'm contacting his ankle, got his knee below the knee in the tibia and fibula area. There we go. And I do a straight y-axis adjustment from the lower end as well. There you go, good. Feel that all the way up? Good, okay, let's sit you up. There we go. Perfect. There you go, boy. You sounding off everywhere. You probably heard that one up in Detroit. it. There we go, good. Okay, let's come over here and stand in front of the mirror. Okay, I'm gonna have you close your eyes again, Omar, and bend your head forward and backwards again for me, please. And neutral. Yep, take a look. We're squared off right down the middle. Pull these guys up. Throw these here. We're gonna bring this straight back. There you go. Okay, you can relax. I'm just gonna stretch these out and bounce your muscle spindles to relax your paraspinal muscles. The right side's starting to calm down compared to the left side. Okay, good. Try that same movement again for me now, Omar. How'd that feel compared to the first time?
Good. Smoother.
Smoother?
Mhm.
Good. So Omar, would you mind sharing with our crack addicts around the world why you chose to come down here to Houston and get adjusted by me? And
Well,
what your experience has been here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in the 3 visits I've seen you so far?
Yeah, I was looking for a different approach in the chiropractic care. This is a very unique yet effective approach. Trust me, it feels amazing. So yeah, that's I'm feeling much better than I was.
Would you encourage other chiropractors to start doing this technique?
Of course, yes.
Yep. Good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing your
Yeah.
experience with everyone on
Thank you.
YouTube. This is your
Good.
Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.